Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. So the LINK chart has made another high, another local high. With that, it's currently following the forecasted move of an ending diagonal from the 8th of January low. Let me show you what I mean. We're talking about this particular structure here that started on the 8th of January low. Here the low was made at around $12.58 in our support zone in the trading area, and the price since then has moved up quite substantially. It's not a lot for crypto and it's typical LINK fashion, okay, so overlapping boring price action. However, it is pretty much interesting considering that many coins made new lows in recent days, whereas LINK actually is following through and it's actually holding support, and it seems to be moving in this ending diagonal pattern within wave 5 that I mentioned yesterday, and we've talked about that in the last few days and weeks anyway. This wave 4, the idea that this is a wave 4 also, it's been on the chart since November, so that's all good. The market reacted twice to our trading area already. First time was here in November actually, and then here just a few days ago, or yeah, couple of weeks ago, and it could indeed be in this 5th wave now, and the overall pattern suggests that a 5-wave pattern is unfolding from the June lows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 5th wave could be unfolding right now, and I mean there are different ways of calculating targets. One way shows us $21 plus as target. Another way would be to take the length of wave 1 and we go to the low of wave 2, which to be honest also takes us to $21.70. So yeah, $21 plus seems to be a reasonable target for wave 5. Obviously there are conditions. These conditions haven't changed in recent days. The idea is still that we can climb higher in this ending diagonal pattern as long as, but there's a clear condition. There are 2 levels that need to hold, especially the wave 2 low here at $13.60 is for me, or let's say to be more precise, I think it's more around $13.56, $13.55. But it's this low that was formed on Friday the 12th. As long as this low is holding, the assumption of a diagonal is valid and possible, but just be aware that it could really be messy price action there, really messy price action. So we have to expect a lot of ups and downs. Also, the next level above $13.60 is here, this last swing low that formed only on Thursday, and that level is at $14.19. As long as that level is holding, the C wave is likely here unfolding. I would like to see that C wave of wave 3 climb a little higher. If we take the measurement and define ideal targets for wave 3, that would relate obviously to wave C of 3, it should reach minimally $17.95, better a little bit higher. So let's see if we get there. But obviously also the C wave will have its ups and downs, but really that's why as long as that level isn't reached, that B wave low needs to stay intact at $14.19. And then overall, yeah, I think in this pattern the price has the potential to get towards that $18.30 level, which is key structural resistance. If we go to the left here, the previous swing high that formed in April 22, and yeah, this is the next main resistance. I mean, please be aware there are all these previous swing highs that could provide some resistance. We've arrived at one now. It is at $16.60. Above that level we've got $17.33. Above that level we've got $17.65. They are all relevant swing highs that could slow the price down in its increase higher. But overall, until support levels are taken out, I have no reason to change the count and expectations. Even if those swing lows, those micro support levels that I mentioned, even if they are broken, it would only indicate that the wave 4 is likely still unfolding. Circle wave 4. There is still plenty of support space down below. For example, at $12.88, $11, $9.75, and the ascending trend line here of this trend channel, which to be honest might still be tested. That's my update about LINK. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.